7 Proven Health Benefits of Coffee. Yes, the health benefits of coffee are real. Research shows it can ward off cancer, Alzheimer's, and other life-threatening conditions. 1. Coffee might help lower your risk of certain cancers. There are more than 1,000 compounds in coffee, many of which likely harbor anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer compounds, according to a recent BMJ research review. The coffee bean itself has antioxidants in it, which help prevent free radical damage that could potentially lead to cancer, explains Susan O. Mile-per-hour, director of the Nutrition Research Program at Johns Hopkins, who was not involved with the study. According to the report, coffee consumption is associated with a lower risk of melanoma and leukemia, as well as prostate and endometrial cancers. What's more, a 2017 University of Southern California study found that coffee drinkers were 26% less likely to develop colorectal cancer than non-coffee drinkers. And those who drank more than 2.5 servings a day were 54% less likely to get the cancer. 2. Coffee might prevent type 2 diabetes. Diabetes is on the upswing in the United States. About 1.5 million people are diagnosed each year, according to the American Diabetes Association, and approximately 7.2 million people have the disease but don't know it yet. But it's not all bad news. Researchers from Harvard University believe that drinking coffee, either decaf or regular, might help prevent the development of type 2 diabetes, the most common form. According to the analysis, which was published in the journal Diabetes Care, the more coffee people drink, the less likely they are to develop type 2 diabetes. It is possible to overdo it, though. To keep insomnia, tummy troubles, and migraines at bay, health experts recommend drinking no more than 4 8-ounce coffees daily. O was not involved with the study, but points out that coffee contains chromium, a mineral that helps the body utilize insulin, a hormone that regulates blood sugar. 3. Coffee could decrease your risk of Alzheimer's. Over the past decade, studies have found a link between coffee consumption and a lower risk of dementia. It's thought that the drink's high caffeine content might be responsible for the brain-boosting benefits. One small study of subjects who showed signs of memory problems found that, over a 2 to 4 year period, people with lower blood levels of caffeine were more likely to develop dementia than those with higher levels. Want to brew up a tastier cup of joe? Consider trying some of these 6 ways to flavor your coffee without added sugar. 4. Coffee might lower your risk of Parkinson's. Parkinson's is a disease of the central nervous system characterized by tremors, and you've probably heard that Michael J. Fox has it. Scientists are still figuring out what combination of environmental and genetic factors causes some people to develop this disease. But some preliminary research suggests caffeine may have a protective benefit against it. In a 2017 literature review published in the Archives of Medical Science, researchers concluded that people who drink moderate amounts of coffee seem to have lower rates of Parkinson's, but they couldn't pinpoint why. 5. Coffee might protect your ticker. Coffee may also help protect your heart. For decades, patients with abnormal heart rhythms, which can increase the risk for sudden cardiac arrest and stroke, were advised to avoid caffeine. However, a new meta-analysis published in April 2018 indicates that drinking coffee can actually decrease atrial fibrillation frequency by up to 13%. But that's not all coffee can do to protect your body's most vital organ. According to the BMJ review, people who drink coffee are 19% less likely to die of cardiovascular disease and 30% less likely to die of stroke than their coffee-abstaining counterparts. 6. Coffee might help you live longer. Most importantly, research shows that people who drink coffee may be less likely to die from all causes. That was the conclusion of a 2016 review in the European Journal of Epidemiology, which found that drinking 4 cups of coffee a day was associated with a lower risk of mortality, including deaths from heart disease and cancer. 7. Coffee might help boost your workouts. Need a little boost to get you through your heat workout? A 2013 study from PLOS ONE shows that athletes who consumed coffee an hour before exercise had greater performance than those who drank decaffeinated coffee. Plus, a 2015 study from the International Journal of Sport Nutrition and Exercise Metabolism suggests that people who drink coffee before a workout burn more calories after exercise, also known as EPOC, excess post-exercise oxygen consumption. This means that even if your spin class is over, your body will continue to burn more calories. We'll drink to that.